Hi, this is Chris from Top Parts Plus, and today we have a Holden Colorado LX base cab, stock reference number 5714. This shape runs from the 5th month 2008 through to the 2nd month 2011. It has a 10H 3.6 litre V6 petrol engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. 10H 3.6 litre V6 petrol engine. We have the left guard, has no damage. Left front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left front door has multiple small dents and a large fold on the rear edge. Left rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. O'Brien trays, alloy tray, hydraulic pump with rams, factory tow bar, all bolts and brackets and loom. Right rear 15-inch steel rim, good tyre. Right power door mirror. And right front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with grey cloth interior, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, left sun visor, and the instrument cluster.